Welcome to ClearTask. If you need to change your in-game name in PUBG Mobile, you are going to need a rename card. Today, I will show you exactly how to get your hands on one. Open your PUBG Mobile app and wait for the main lobby to load. Look for the shop icon on your main screen and tap to open it. Once you are inside the shop menu, navigate over to the Treasures tab. Scroll through the available items until you spot a card icon with a small helmet, or simply look for the green card with the letters ID printed on the front. Tap on that rename card to open the purchase menu. You can buy it right here for 180 UC. If you happen to need more than one, just adjust the quantity before you tap purchase. After confirming, the card will instantly be added to your inventory for you to use. If you want to save your UC and get one for free, check your progress missions. Reaching level 10 rewards you with a free rename card if you haven't claimed it already. Alternatively, players who take a break from the game for a few weeks can often earn a free card through the returner event missions. That is all it takes to get your new name. If this guide helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials, and drop any questions down in the comments. See you in the next video.